Hey everyone, we've got some great spring break activities for you. We just did a soap workshop yesterday, so I wanted to recap how we have what we have for you. We've got this little kit. It's got our soap, the goat's milk soap. It's already grated, and we've got a couple containers full of clay and flowers. So with that, you can make yourself a nice melt and pour, and I'm going to just show you how you do that. So here is it in a bowl, in a little bowl, stainless steel bowl, and we're going to pour a cup of water on top of it and just mix that in. And then that we're going to put in an oven at 200 degrees for a couple hours, and we're just going to watch it until it gets into a nice liquidy, but I'm going to put a little pot lid on it. So this bowl here, if you can see, has been in the oven for a couple hours. I've put the red clay in it and mixed it up, and you can see it just gets to this nice liquid, but that's only because it's hot. Once it cools off, it won't be liquid. It'll go back into that solid mass. And this is 500 grams, so it's enough for 5 of our regular bars, or you can use it in a mix and match way. So I'm going to show you this one little super sweet back scrubber soap that we make. I'm going to show you how we make it with our melt and pour. So you can see that I've got sticks in these silicone mold of the flowers. And because I want it to be a back scratcher, I'm going to put some sand, just some silica sand. That makes it nice and scratchy. So I put quite a bit of that in there because I want it to be a nice gritty thing. And then I stir it up and get that sand all put out, all mixed up through it. And then I'm going to take it just in little spoonfuls and start filling that. I put the little blue flowers in with that. And so I like to fill that right up, and then I'll go in after and kind of level it out. But this is a nice way, and then it will cool overnight, and then I'll be able to pop it out. Now this soap has already cured, so I don't have to wait. We were talking about it in our other workshop, that you have to wait to cure the soap. When you make it from scratch, you have to wait to cure it 30 days. But this is already cured soap, so you don't have to wait. So this is just something you can put into any kind of cupcake mold or any mold that you have. Even other molds, you can put them in and then just throw them in the freezer, and then they'll pop right out. Or you can make a box and line it with saran wrap and make your own, or a cake pan, anything like that that you want to make your own molds in, you can do. So I'm just going to fill these all up. And so that will make us 6 nice back scrubbers for tomorrow. It'll take overnight to get them to cool down and thicken up. And then the other thing you can do is make them into these kind of thin pieces and use cookie cutters. And then this is really fun for kids, and cookie cutter press. And then you just pull that excess soap away and push that through. Now this has got a few other clays in it. And so then you have your little soap that kids love making these ones and love using them too. So if you've got a kid who doesn't like using soap, this is a really great way to introduce it to them. So that's what we've got. You can order this online, and then give us a nod or give us a post when you make some stuff and tag us, and we'll put it on our pages.